Good morning. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about plant nutrients. We are cultivating so many crops in our Tamil Nadu and all over India. We need some of the supplements to grow plants for higher yield. So we will discuss what are the nutrients, what are the fertilizers, supplements for the plant growth. Let's see one by one. We will separate the nutrients in two types. First one is macronutrient, second one is micronutrient. Macronutrients, nothing but nutrients are required by the plants in relatively large amounts. These nutrients are requirement is very high in amount. Then micronutrients are required only in small amount. That means minor or trace elements. So nothing but macronutrients means are required by the plants in relatively large nutrients. Micronutrient is a name itself, it is meant small amount or minor or trace nutrient, that is called as micronutrients. So plant nutrients are divided into two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are required by the large quantity, micronutrients are required by the only small amount. Then let's see. First of all, macronutrients are divided into three types. First one is non-mineral elements, second one is primary nutrients, then secondary nutrients. Non-mineral elements, that is called carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These three mineral elements are readily get from atmosphere. Then primary nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. The symbol of nitrogen is capital N, phosphorus is capital P, but potassium capital A. Then secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium, sulfur. Calcium, the symbol is Ca. Magnesium, the symbol of magnesium is capital M, small g. Sulfur is S. This means students are noted. Suppose Ca means calcium, capital Mg means magnesium, then N means nitrogen. These are the symbol is very important for the agriculture engineering student to identify the fertilizers, nutrients for the growth of the plant. Then another one category is micronutrients, very important for the growth of the plant. So micronutrients are very small meager amount is needed to growth of the plant. What are the micronutrients? Iron, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, manganese, chlorine. Iron, the symbol of iron is Fe. Copper is capital C, small y. Zinc, capital EZN. Boron, capital B. Molybdenum, capital M O. Manganese, Mn, capital M, small n. Chlorine, Cl, that is called as micronutrients. These are the elements required in meager amount for growth of the plant. First of all, first nutrients, functions of nitrogens is a primary nutrients. First nutrients is primary nutrients, that is it promotes growth of leaves and stems, mainly leaves and stems growth development. Nitrogen is very important. It gives dark color and improve quality of foliage. That's why it's needed for the growth of the leaves and stems, necessary to develop cell protein and chlorophyll. It's mainly important for the protein development of the cell and chlorophyll development. So if suppose the plant is a dark in color, means it's necessarily it's a high in nitrogen content. So it promotes the leaves and stems, and it's also dark in color to improve foliage of the color, quality of the foliage, and also develop the cell protein and chlorophyll. These are the functions of nitrogen. Then materials supply for the nitrogen. What are the materials supply nitrogen? Materials, then nitrogen's content also given this is slide. First nutrient is anhydrous ammonia. Its nitrogen content is high, that is 82%. Then another one is urea. Commonly used peoples is urea. Every people nitrogen containing fertilizer is urea. Mainly all crops are used by the urea fertilizers only. Nitrogen content is 45 to 46%. Then ammonium nitrate 33.5%. Then aqueous ammonia. Another one is aqueous ammonia, that is 20 to 24 percentage of nitrogen contained. Then diammonium phosphate. Then this contain 18 to 21 percentage of nitrogen, and also phosphate. Phosphorus content is P2O form, available form of P2O. Its content 48 to 83 percentage. Then ammonium phosphate sulfate form. It's contain 18 percentage of nitrogen. Then ammonium phosphate, it's contain 10 to 11 percent of nitrogen. Sodium nitrate, 16 percentage of nitrogen. Potassium nitrate, it's contain 13 percentage of nitrogen. Urea formaldehyde, formaldehyde, it's containing 13 percentage of nitrogen. Then sulfur coated urea, it's another kind of nitrogen containing fetus. Sulfur coated, it's containing 15 to 45 percentage of fertilizers. Then urea ammonium nitrate, UAN solution, it's containing 32 percentage of nitrogen. Then organic producing fertilizers are containing nitrogen. These are animal manure, waste sludge, meat manure, concentrated meal, fish meal, etc. It's contain 1 to 12 percentage of nitrogen. These are the material. These are the fertilizers are supplying the these are the material supplying the nitrogen in the farm. So then next see nitrogen deficiency. Then first one is it shows the sick and yellow green color, then short term, small leaves, pale yellow colored leaves and flower. Slow and dwarf plant are occurs. These are the six. Yellow in color means it's a, naturally nitrogen deficiency. This picture shows the nitrogen deficiency. It occurs mainly in the leaves and stems, yellow in color. Then next class we will see about the functions of phosphorus. Thank you.